Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you the perfect way to cut men's trousers or men's pants, depending on which angle you wish to use. So you can see our lines, the lines I have here. This is the waistline, that is the starting point. And this small one is the pocket length. This is the flap length. This is the knee length. This is the length of the trouser, and this is the sewing allowance. So the measurement we are using for the waist, I'll be using 37. The length of the trouser is 38. The length is 38. And waist to knee is 19. The round of the knee, I'll be using 20. So the time measurement is 26. So to start, I have to come down here. I'll measure 2 inches. 2 inches. I'll measure 2 inches again. So from here, the knee minus 1, I'll do 1 inch. 1 inch. So here is the half. I'm now using my ruler to connect, just to give us the perfect shape. The pant. You can see it. Our trouser is coming out ready. So for the waist measurement, that's 7 divided by 4. Remember, from the waist to the flap length, you divide the measurements by 4. But from here down, divide by 2. So the waist is 37. 37 divided by 4 is 9¼ So I'll measure 9¼ Sewing allowance 1.5 inches. So everything now is 10¾ So I'll just take that 10¾ down. 10¾ I'll take it down. Then here I'll now take the tie measurement. The tie I'm using is 36.26. So divided by 2 is 13. So I'll do my knee round, which is 20. Then the round of the trouser that is the hem is 14. Divided by 2 is 7. So now connect. First of all, connect this one. I'll just give it a pop. If you cannot use free hand, you just use your square set and do it. So from here now, I'll connect. So I like to use free hand. You can see our trouser is ready. So it's assumed that when you finish sewing the trouser, this is the measurement it will have, because there is no sewing allowance. We only add sewing allowance in the back. So now I'll go ahead and cut the trouser. See how beautiful the trouser is looking already. It's expected that when we finish sewing the trouser, it will come out exactly like this. So now we'll go ahead and cut the back. To cut the back, I'll just drag the remaining material forward. front. So on the graph measurement, I'll make sure here is of the plane which is it. So I'll extend the flat line. Then on the waist, I'll go up by 1.5 inches. So from the knee measurements, I'll go back by 2 inches down, 2 inches down, 2 inches down. So now you know how to connect. So use shoulder square, do it back, and do it my own ruler. You can see the back is ready, just to cut it out. Using the pocket. Those measurements. You can see our trouser is slim. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you try it at home. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching and have a great day. All right.